तिमर मछली जल की रानी, डूबी डूबी पियो चूरे पानी। तिमर मछली जल की रानी, डूबी डूबी पियो चूरे पानी।
Hello friends, I welcome you in all your favorite YouTube channel Crush Musical. So through the thumbnail, you must already understood what channel is about and which music we are going to discuss today. So don't skip the video and stay tuned to the end. If you are new to this channel, then hit the red button below and subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get our new video on the time and in proper details. In our YouTube channel Humsafar Music, we are going to introduce a mesmerizing Sambalpuri song. As Sambalpuri music demand is increasing day by day in Odisha, so our Humsafar Music aims to create our new identity with Sambalpuri music. The beautiful song is Machhali Rani. The beautiful song is sung by our famous well-known singer of Odisha, Humane Sagar, and most talented and queen of voice, Aseema Panda. History shows that whenever Aseema Panda paired with Kumar Sagar, this song will be hit and go randomly viral. Some of the hit songs of the beautiful Jodi are Pardesiya Raja, Tu Megha Heja, To Prema Se Tikhi Thau, Slow Motion, and Oh Mahire Mahire. The demands of these songs are still in the heart of the audience and viewers. That's why another demanding and blockbuster song from this Jodi, Machhali Rani, we would like to give to our beautiful audience, and we hope, like others blockbuster songs, this Machhali Rani would reach to the peak of the success and randomly go viral. The trailer of the song is given in the description of our channel Crush Musical. The music director of this Sambalpuri song is Mr. Rudra Nayak. The lyricist is Aryan Kumar Mehto, and the producer is Mr. Sujit Kumar Mehto, and the beautiful song is sung by Humane Sagar and Aseema Panda. A video version and the trailer gets tremendous heat in January. Again, I would like to say that in our YouTube channel Humsafar Music, we are going to release a new dance item. The Machhali Rani, Humane Sagar and Aseema Panda sing this song very beautifully and melodiously. So friends, please don't forget to let us know how you like the song in our comment sections below. Okay, so we will meet you soon in our next video. Till that, now we bid goodbye to you and stay tuned with us. Thank you. Namaskar.